Hello Mob, my name's Grace and I'm from the Deadly Kindies team, and today I'm joined by
Pinna, so I'm also from the Deadly Kindies team.
And today we're going to be reading to you guys. We're going to be reading the book called Bush Birds, illustrated and written by Helen Milroy. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Blue wren pops out into view. Budgerigar rolls in the dew. Lorikeet feasts on nectar and fruit. Rosella cleans her colourful suit. King Parrot dazzles in fiery red. Black cockatoo calls overhead. Eagle soars across the sky. Cassowary runs and leaps up high. Brolga strolls so quietly along, while emu booms a noisy song. Little birds and big birds, all different kinds. How many bush birds can you find? Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different birds, wow.
Deadly pictures in these ones, eh, sis?
That's right. I hope you guys enjoyed the book today. I'll see you next time.
Bye guys.